In this video, I will take you through the process of installing male line 24 snaps to a hand-tooled leather strap. The male and female snaps come in 4 parts: a male post, a male stud and the female equivalent. Currently, I am punching holes in the leather with a 3mm hole punch and mallet. The markings were all in place from earlier work carried out with a press plate tool I use. I then slide the posts of the male snaps through the back of the leather. On this snap box there are 20 snaps to do. Now the snaps are in place, I can introduce my snap setting machine. To set the male parts together, I align the male post to the base of the snap setter. On the machine there is a little prong that sticks up vertically. The male post has a small hole in the middle. The prong on the machine goes inside the hole of the snap, and then the snap stud is then placed over the top of the post. The arm of the snap setter is then lowered down by hand, which comes into contact with all the parts. This contact, including pressure applied, makes the post crimp to the stud, which creates a solid fixing. This is the process used on all belts. Here you can see the finished product. All 20 male snaps have been set solid, and the belt now goes on to the plate installation process. Thank you for watching, and check out my other belt tutorials and reviews.